Okay, the next exercise is limit x approaches to 0 and 1 by x raised to the power 10x since it is an infinity. Let y is equal to 1 over x raised to the power 10x, and take the natural log on both sides, which is equal to natural log of 1 by x and raised to the power 10x. Okay, 10x. Now, by the property of natural log, we can write 10x before natural log and natural log of 1 by x, and this can be written as is equal to natural log of 1 by x divided by natural log 1 by x and divided by 10x will be written cot x, and this natural, which is equal to natural log of 1 minus natural log of property of log cot x is equal to 0 minus natural log of x divided by cot x. Cot x minus natural log of x now since we can see natural log of y that means for okay, now this is this is cot x. It is which form, and if we put the limit x approaches to 0, then this is 0 natural log of infinity divided by infinity form. So apply the L'Hopital hospital rule, minus 1 by x, and cot x is minus cosecant square x. And this is equal to 1 by x cosecant square x. It will be cosecant square x. This is equal to sine square x divided by x, and now again it is a 0 divided by 0 form. 0 divided by 0 form, it means we will apply L'Hopital hospital rule. So according to the L'Hopital hospital rule, we take the 2 sine x and cos x divided by 1. So after applying the limit is limit x approaches to 0, 2 sine x and cos x. After applying the limit, since sine 0 is 0, so this will be 0. That means natural log of y, natural log of y is equal to 0. So y is equal to e raised to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Take a short look at this question. Okay, the next exercise is, in this exercise it is given that limit x approaches to pi by 2 and the limit is cos x raised to the power pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so let y is equal to cos x raised to the power pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this is, but after taking the natural log, pi by 2 minus x. And by the property of log we can write pi by 2 minus x before log, natural log of cos x. Okay, and this is and we can write it just like this is equal to pi by 2 we can write it natural log of cos x divided by 1 divided by pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so since it is infinity divided by infinity form, infinity divided by infinity form, which is equal to natural log of cos x. It is 1 by cos x, and the derivative of cos is minus sin x, and the derivative of 1 over pi by 2 minus x is yeah, it is minus minus pi by 2 minus x raised to the power yes, this minus will get plus, and it is minus 2. Okay, it is again, if we see yeah, this will be equal to minus 10x divided by pi by 2 minus x raised to the power minus 2. It is again infinity divided by infinity form. So because if we put x approaches to pi by 2 and 10 pi by 2 infinity, yeah, since in the denominator the power is minus 2, pi by 2 minus pi by 2, it is 0. 1 divided by 0 is of course infinity divided by, so this is infinity divided by infinity form. So that means what we will do, we will take the derivative. So if I shift just like minus pi by 2 minus x raised to the power plus 2, and 10 will be got, and now it is 0 divided by 0 form. Okay, so this means we apply the L'Hopital rule. So after applying the L'Hopital rule, minus 2 into pi by 2 minus x, and the derivative of minus x is plus, this is minus cosecant square x. So now if I apply the limit x approaches to pi by 2, so then our x approaches to pi by 2, so pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0, and it is 1. It is minus cosecant square, it is 1, so it means this is equal to 0. Yes, e raised to the power y, natural log of y is equal to 0. It means y is equal to e raised to the power 0, which is equal to 1. I am not writing the limit, just simplifying the each steps, so it is obvious we are taking the limits. Okay, so let we have a short look of this question.